In this video, we'll be showing you how to show your Facebook page in a widget on your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Then from your main navigation, head to Admin, Settings, and in the Basic Details tab, ensure you enter the full URL of your Facebook page. Please also ensure that country and age restrictions in your Facebook page settings are set to everyone. Then check the Display Facebook Widget checkbox. If you have a Facebook page, then you can show this in a widget on your homepage. A Facebook group is private and therefore the contents of it cannot be shown in a widget, but the link will appear in the footer of your website. Then click the Update button. And that's it, you can now successfully show your Facebook page in a widget on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.